Hi babes, if you are a pro, this tutorial is not for you. But if you're somebody who is looking to perfect a dark smoky eye, then you want to stick to this video. So when you're doing a dark smoky eye, you do not need a primer, you need a black gel liner. So this will serve as our primer, and this will help to intensify the eyeshadow we're going to be placing on our lid. So you will place this on your lid and extend it up a little bit. Once you're done with that, take a small brush like this one here, and then you go ahead and start blending the edges out before it dries. The part you're going to be doing is basically just the edge of the eyeshadow. You have to do this really fast before the gel liner dries. Remember, this is not an eyeshadow, this is a gel liner that dries really fast, so you also need to work really fast. Once you blend out the edge successfully, take a razor blade and place it here. Make sure it is aligned with the lower part of your lash line. Align it here and make sure the blade is pointing towards your brow tail. Then you can start extending this part out. The essence of using this blade is to give a clean and sharp edge. Can you see that? So the next step is to get a small brush like this one. Then you go to the edge of the eyeshadow. This is what is going to make it look well blended. You are blending out like you are blending out your eyeshadow. The first one we did was to spread it out carefully. The next step is to get a matte eyeshadow. At this point, we need to set the creamy gel liner down. Even though this creamy gel eyeliner dries on its own, we still need to set it down. And this is what will give that really intense matte black look. And for this one, I am using Meet the Brown from Annie's Beauty with a dense flat brush. I'm going to tap it in and pack a lot of that eyeshadow. Then when I pack a lot of it, I will tap off excess. Remember, we have our skin covered with foundation already. You can see how this side look a lot darker than this part, and this is what we have. So with this application technique, you should be able to see your eyeshadow if you have hooded eye, where your eyes are opened. To finish up the whole look is to use a clean brush. This brush, we're not going to be dipping it into any eyeshadow. This is what we're going to use to clean everything together so we don't have any harsh lines. If you want, you can dip this brush into your own skin color powder just to melt the colors, the edges into your skin. So I'm going to use this without dipping it into anything. So I'm just going to use that in this inner part of my eye and basically blend that into this to the side of my nose. We don't want any harsh line, and I will run that through this side as well. So babes, if you want to spice up your dark smoky eyes, you want to add a pop of color, then you can go ahead and add like any color of choice on the lid. You can use matte texture or shimmer texture. But one thing you should bear in mind is if the eyeshadow you are using is not super pigmented, this black eyeshadow is going to swallow it up. You won't see the pigment of the eyeshadow. So I would advise you use a primer first. Guys, this is the finished look of the eyeshadow. This color, this pop of color on the middle part was inspired by C. She's a makeup artist and I love her work so much. So guys, let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section. I think I will change my lips. I don't know yet, but I will take a few pictures and see which if it comes out the way I like, I will leave it, but if it doesn't, I will change it just in case you come across this look with a different lip color, so you know. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about this smoky eyeshadow tutorial down in the comment section. Do not forget to share, save and like, and also leave me a comment, and don't forget to follow me. I'll see you in my next video.